Okay, puppy's first meal. They figured it out pretty quick. Gotta get this little girl in there, though. There you go. We'll feed all the chocolates first, and then I'll feed all the... They're like in the van. This is light blue, red. That's the turquoise one. That's the little girl. And that's the purple girl. That's the pink girl. Oh my gosh. Pink is like inside the fan. Disgusting. Oh my gosh. She hadn't come up for air yet. I think she's gonna need a bath after this. There you go. There you go. There's your bowl. Oh my golly gee. There you go. Oh my. He's making a complete circle. I know. You guys are going to get a turn in a minute. I know, just a minute. Yeah. What's going on next door? Wow. Oh my gosh, you're completely wet. Oh, this is too fun. Alright, we'll take a picture of the blacks in just a minute.